Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa. I am a makeup artist, and for today's video I got for you guys a amazing model, and this is my friend Isa. So today we decided to go for this neutral glam makeup look to use at night, and I really hope that you like it. So to start off, we got nothing on the skin, and we're gonna make sure that it's nice and clean. So I'm gonna use a little bit of micellar water to clean up and to moisturize the skin as well as the first step. Her skin is a little bit sensitive, so I decided to use really good products to do this makeup look today, especially to prep the skin. And this step is really important because later on I'm gonna apply the skincare products. Okay, next I'm gonna use a setting spray by Jart Cosmetics, and this is the watermelon fragrance. I really love this one to set the skin and also to moisturize a little bit. And next I'm gonna mix two amazing products together. I'm gonna use the moisturizer by Danessa Myricks and also the liquid highlighter by Melt Cosmetics, and both of them are this kind of moisturizer and also shimmery at the same time, and the shine is amazing, guys. The mix of these two products together turned out amazing. So for the glowy and natural skin effect, I decided to apply in the whole face and also in the neck and chest as well. And to apply, I decided to use my skincare brush, so I'm gonna apply with this brush just in the face to concentrate a little more product. And for the neck and chest, I decided to apply with a fluffy brush because it blends out easily, so I chose a big fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna apply one of my favorite foundations ever, and this is by Shiseido. So I'm gonna apply the liquid foundation with a kabuki brush, as you can see, guys, and I'm gonna apply a small amount all over the face, neck and chest to balance the look. And this foundation has a amazing coverage. The coverage is light to medium and is beautiful, guys, and the coverage here is amazing. Really looks like it's your own skin. That's why I really love this one, and the end result is flawless, especially with the highlighter underneath. It looks stunning. Isa has a amazing skin already, so I don't need too much coverage. That's why I'm applying a small amount, a little at a time, in a few areas where I feel like I need a little more. And for the rest, I'm just blending it out with the rest left in the brush. For concealer, I'm gonna apply with a small fluffy brush as well. And again, I'm gonna use just a small amount of product. And the concealer that I'm using here is also from Shiseido, and this shade is a little bit lighter than the foundation, so I'm gonna apply a little bit where I want to highlight a little bit and bring forward. And just with what is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in the eyelids to cover a little bit of the redness and dark circles that you don't have, and in a few areas like around the nose, the mouth, and also a little bit in the chin. And next, for this look, I really like to use cream products and liquid products. So I'm gonna use the P.Louise eyeshadow base Rumours 05 and also 7 to highlight and contour her skin. I really love to use this product because the end result is really soft and looks amazing, really natural, and the colors are amazing for it. What I like about this product is that just with a small amount of products, I can get such a beautiful effect in the skin. So using a face brush, I'm gonna use a short and firm brush to highlight, and also later I'm gonna use the same brush to contour, blending it out softly and really well. And now for the next step, as I want to keep it natural and glam, as you guys can see, I'm gonna use the Vision Flush blush, and this is the shade Tutu. This product is versatile and I can use everywhere in my face basically, but I really like to use it as a blush. And this color is amazing, especially for her skin, so I'm gonna use just a little tiny bit because it's very pigmented, and to apply I'm gonna use the same brush. Okay, and now to set all this beauty, I'm gonna use Mercier translucent powder, and my favorite brush, Spotlight Duster by Sigma Beauty, and this brush is from the brush set The Dream, which is a luxury collection by the way. And for the brows, I'm gonna use a brow pomade by P.Louise, and I wanna just apply this pomade to fix all the hairs up. So basically I got nothing to do here, I just have to pull them up like this and make sure they are going to stay in the place all day. That's why I'm using P.Louise. So with this spoolie, I'm gonna brushing up the hairs with the Pro Balm by P.Louise, which is amazing, guys. And next to set the blush, the cream blush that I applied before, I'm gonna use a powder blush, and this Glowish by Hudabeauty. I really love this color, and I believe this is the shade number 3. Coral shade. And as you can see, guys, it looks stunning on her. So I'm gonna apply in the apples of the cheeks and blending it out. And next I'm gonna use this Duo Cheek Palette by Sigma Beauty, and this is from the holiday collection. And I'm gonna apply the highlighter shade in the center of her face with a small blending brush to concentrate the product where I want it to be. So I'm gonna apply the highlighter in the center of the nose and also in the cupid's bow and in the chin a little bit. And next, with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply the same highlighter in the highest points of her face by just a small amount of product. And now let's move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna use the Color Fix by Danessa Myricks. I'm using the shade Exposed just to create a little bit of dimension in the eyelid. So I'm applying a small amount of product with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna concentrate this eyeshadow in the roots of the lashes and blending up. Just with what is left in the brush, I'm gonna smudge the edges, creating this soft smoky eye. And next, with a gel liner, I'm gonna use a black gel liner. Today I'm gonna apply just in the roots of the lashes a little bit, and also in the outer corners, like if I was doing a cat eye effect, but today I wanna go for a foxy eye effect. So I'm gonna apply a thin eyeliner, and it don't need to be perfect because I'm gonna smudge it out. And next, to set the lash line and also the eyelids, I'm gonna mix these two shades together. They are amazing, and they are from Naughty Palette by Huda Beauty. And now for the lips, I'm gonna apply a lip contour by Melt Cosmetics and also a lipstick by Huda Beauty. This is the shade I'm gonna link down below for you guys all the products that I'm using here and the colors as well, because I don't remember the name of the lip contour and the lipstick, but I decided to go a little more natural to keep the focus on this eye. And right on top, I'm gonna apply this amazing shimmery lip gloss by Sigma Beauty, which I love so much, just to give me this stunning glass finish in the lips. And to conclude the whole thing, obviously I need to set, so I'm gonna use the Resting Boss Face by Huda Beauty. I really love this setting spray to hold everything the whole day. And this is how I conclude this makeup look. I really hope that you like it much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and also follow me on Instagram to see more pictures and more content about my work. Comment down below what you think, and I see you later in the next videos. Mwah. Bye!